Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Dome Air Fryer, the #1 cooking speed large air fryer with superior airflow. Voted the best large capacity air fryer of 2024 by Reviewed USA Today, this smart digital air fryer cooks food 30% faster than traditional models, allowing you to whip up 32 chicken wings in just 14 minutes, 2 steaks in 8 minutes, or 10 pieces of bacon in 10 minutes. Enjoy whisper quiet operation at only 55 decibels, so you can cook delicious, crispy meals without the noise. The unique self-cleaning mode is a game changer, removing oil and stains from the top cavity in just 2 hours, activated easily through the Typhur app. With 10 preset modes and over 50 recipes available on the app, cooking has never been more convenient or user-friendly. The non-stick ceramic basket ensures effortless cooking and cleanup, providing a non-toxic surface for all your culinary creations. Experience the future of cooking with the Dome Air Fryer, where speed, convenience, and taste come together seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.